for the party. Mama.
Yeah.
I was talking about my cousin's dad when he passed away.
Mm-hmm.
How old was he?
CJ.
Again.
Oh.
I'll fix it.
No throwing the remote. Do you understand?
You know how you break it?
Do not throw the remote down.
He did that. He pressed the button and it slides up, down. I did that. I was sitting on the arm when I was 2 and I was doing that lots of times. Then when I'm finally done, I just leave it there. I was playing.
No tossing, no throwing, CJ. Let's see.
Mom,
Let's get
look at his knee.
I'll get the other remote so he doesn't have a idea to do with this one.
He's pretending to be a dog. He was doing, cat. He was doing this. Grandma, looks like you're ice skating on paper towels.
Alright. Janae, so we don't have avocados. Would you like eggplant?
No.
What would you like? Lettuce?
No.
Cucumbers?
No.
Onions?
Yes.
Okay.
Everything no, but onions yes.
Alright, well let's make breakfast.